Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about what does this parameter mean. If you remember a previous video, we talked about how we could input data using scanner, but now we want to input data using this variable. So what's the benefit of this variable? It's a way to allow us to enter data using console directory. So to get started, what I will do, I just click right on my package, new class. I will name it input C. Then I implement this method. Just have two bracket and put open and close. So what does that mean? That means there is number of argument will be entered from the screen it will be saved inside the array. I could access to any element in that array. So imagine first argument will be name, so I will define string name equal first argument in this array. So I will say array for 0. That means first argument in the input screen. You could print it also. I say system.o, then I will say print for name, then a name. That means now the user could enter that data to the system is not using a scanner, but using direct from the console. So if you see, I could access to the elements argument for 0. Why argument for 0? Because string here is array, and we'll talk more about array, but first element in array will be 0, second element will be 1, third, fourth, and continue. So yes, this is a basic example that we do. So to run this class, here we go. Now we're done. Let me just remove this line, and I will go to the app and look here. This is my app, this is my src, this is my package, this is the file that I'm looking for, is the input C. So to execute it on the terminal, I'll open the terminal, I will navigate to that folder. It is named main package, this one. Okay, make sure I say ls I see this file. So just let me just go inside the folder, I will tell you what I will do. So first of all, I will say Java C, because I need to compile my file, sorry. So input C.java. So here you go. If you see input C, that was Java. Now I have input C.class. Class, that means compiled file for my file. Now I want to run. I will say Java, then input C, then I give it the input. What the input should be? All the input will goes under this array. It's array of argument. That means I could say Hussein, this first argument, then second argument age, third argument salary, whatever you want to do. I have one argument now to send, only Hussein. If I click enter, you see he write me his name equal Hussein. How he done that? When he get argument, have only one argument, it's Hussein. He take Hussein, and it's argument for 0. He added, and then he display it. As I told you, you imagine you have two parameters. So you mean age, then argument 1 will be provider. Then just print both of them, just print the provider, and to make it more clear for you. Now I just update it, so make sure when you update it, just compile it first. So make sure Java C for input, compile it again, then name, I have Java C input Hussein, then compiler Jana or provider Jana. Now you see the name is Hussein and provider Jana, because now I said in two input for my method. I said Hussein and Jana. Now argument here have to input Hussein and Jana. First argument Hussein, second argument Jana. Should be first one as a name, second one as the provider. If you see how it's complex to compile, then run, but in Java all you have to do, just click here, he will compile all these files and move them to bin. You see all the bin here in same name, and he compile all the file. So yes, this is a basic. This is the benefit of this one. He will be done, and thank you for watching.